enjoys the comfort of a stable home and supportive parents. His only worries revolving around exams and leisure. While Michael, the son of a poor fisherman, wakes each day to hardship, with an ailing mother and father struggling to provide. He is forced to trade his school books for a basket of fish selling at the market to help his family survive. Through the programs Help the Community's Compassion, Michael's return to school and eventually fulfilled the dreams he once set aside. His journey becomes a statement to how genuine government action and social empathy can bridge between privilege and poverty. Ascenso Misamis Occidental, building dreams, empowering families, transforming lives.
Kapoy, ay ka ba? Ako na lang.
Michael, di mo klase?
Pwede rin na umiyak ba? Pero ang gutom, dili. Dili utang ikaw makato sa niya na. Itang tanan man pa. Tinabakay lang pagkirme. Isda, isda. Risko pa, mabukuha. Tingnan sa dagat.
Uy, Joy, wala ba nang klase? Di ba dapat na ka sa eskwelahan pero murasa?
Mama, kung mama, may masakiton. Hindi ako papa, kapoy, na may tingnan sa dagat. Gusto lang kumutapang sa usang adlaw, sa malangay, sa klase.
Ngayon ka nga ng